Let's talk tires. Has it been a while since you got new tires? Don't lose sight of their gradual loss of performance. A quick visual inspection can help you see if your tires need to be replaced. Here are 3 warning signs. 1. Tread wear. Look for the tread wear bar between your tire's treads. If the tire surface has worn down even with this bar, you're driving on tires that have lost nearly twice their stopping performance, putting you and your occupants at risk.
There's also the standard quarter test. Stick one upside down into the groove. If you see the top of George's head, you need new tires.
2. Visual damage. See any strange bulges, bubbles, or little cracks? This usually means the structural integrity of your tire has been compromised, which can lead to a blowout, not the excitement you're looking for. And 3. Age. If your tires are 6 years old or older, keep an eye on them, no matter how good the treads look. The sun breaks down rubber over time, which is why tires in hot, dry climates typically have shorter lifespans. Find your tire's born-on date on the sidewall. Look for the DOT letters, then check the last 4 digits. This tire was manufactured in the 30th week of 2014. To learn more, talk to a Mopar tire specialist. We're experts on tire care and replacement. We carry most major brands, and we're conveniently located at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.